Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Saya ucapkan kepada Sir Nik Hakimi selaku pensyarah bagi khusus Quality Control. Pada hari ini, peluang kami akan membahas sedikit berkenaan kes study kami iaitu Quality Control. Sebelum kami membahas presentation kami pada kali ini, alangkah lebih baiknya saya memperkenalkan ahli kumpulan yang telah menjayakan kes study pada kali ini. Yang pertama iaitu Danish Daniel bin Hussein dengan nombor pendaftaran 09 DEM21F1032. Seterusnya saya sendiri Muhammad Haris bin Marif dengan nombor pendaftaran 09 DEM21F1029. Seterusnya Muhammad Adwa Fawaz bin Muhammad Nizam dengan nombor pendaftaran 09 DEM21F1047. Dan akhir sekali Muhammad Syahmi bin Syaharudin dengan nombor pendaftaran 09 DEM21F1057. Slide pertama, kami akan membicarakan mengenai konten, di mana yang pertama kami akan memperkenalkan tentang case study kami. Seterusnya kami akan pergi kepada problem statement, objective, justification for the appropriateness of the tool, dan seterusnya the quality control tool used, dan justification for the appropriateness of the tool, result analysis, dan akhir sekali adalah conclusion. Slide seterusnya kami akan mulakan dengan introduction iaitu di mana kami telah memilih syarikat Shimano sebagai case study, di mana Shimano mempunyai global dominance, iaitu Shimano holds a commanding 70 to 80% share in the global bicycle component market, establishing itself as an industry leader. Next, product range, specializing in drivetrain, brake, wheel, and pedal component. Shimano caters to a wide range of bicycle, offering essential part of road, mountain, track, and hybrid model. Innovation with about innovation with STI system. Shimano introduced cutting-edge design with the Shimano Total Integration STI system, seamlessly combining shifters and brake levers for road bikes. And next, historical evolution. Formerly Shimano Iron Works and later Shimano Industries, the company has evolved from manufacturing golf supplies to becoming a global leader in cycling components. Founder's legacy, named after founder Shozaburo Shimano, the company reflects the visionary spirit of its originator. Dan seterusnya adalah global region with headquarters in Sakai, Osaka Prefecture. Shimano oversees a network of 32 consolidate and 11 unconsolidated subsidiaries, showcasing a robust global presence. Dan last is strategy manufacturing. The company primary manufacturing plants in Kunshan, China, Malaysia, and Singapore contribute to its efficient production capabilities. So next slide is about problem statement. So the problem statement about Shimano is Shimano have had some issues with their height and crack set in recent times. It seems as though the Algetra and Dura S crack set are the primary units affected. And next is about the pellet tag. Naming system is used by Shimano for both their bottom bracket and crack set, and discuss some confusions. Untuk slide seterusnya saya akan serahkan kepada sahabat saya. Silakan.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Syahmi bin Syaharudin. So saya akan menerangkan objektif. First objective is to ensure that each component and accessory manufacturer adheres to the specific design and engineering standard meeting the company precise specification for dimension, material, and performance. Second objective is implement process that minimize variation in production, aiming for consistent quality across all batch to prevent defect and ensure uniformity in product performance. Third objectives, implement strict control over the sourcing and usage of material to guarantee that only high quality and reliable material are used in the manufacturing process. Untuk slide seterusnya ialah justification for the appropriate of the tool. The best quality control tool we have been using here is the cause and effect diagram. This diagram visually organizes potential cause for a specific problem or effect by displaying them in detail alongside theories. It is commonly known as a fishbone or Ishikawa diagram. When determining the cause of a problem, the cause-effect diagram aid in organizing different theory about the root cause and present them visually. The cause and effect diagram for the article can be found at the bottom. So untuk slide seterusnya saya akan serahkan kepada Denisian.
Saya Dinesh Daniel B. Hussein. Saya akan terangkan tentang the quality control tools used. Firstly, the confidential quality control method. Shimano employs confidential quality control tools and method to uphold and renowned standards of the cycling components and accessories. Number 2 is portable tools and techniques. It is likely that the company utilize statistical process control (SPC), quality control chart, and failure mode and effect analysis (FMEA) to monitor and analyze the manufacture process, ensuring it stays within set control limit and identify potential failure modes. Next is Six Sigma principles. Six Sigma principles are probably implemented to systematically reduce defect and variation in the manufacturing process, contributing the heightened product quality. Next is root cause analysis. The application of root cause analysis techniques is crucial for identifying and addressing the underlying cause of any issue and may arise during manufacturing. The last one is control plan for purchase. Meticulous crafted control plans are established to define procedure for maintaining quality at crucial control point during production, emphasizing precision and adherence to set standards. So next for justification for the appropriateness of the tools. So kat sini kita ada the main cause of damage, effect of corrosion on rim. Untuk man, AI efficient knowledge of workers. Number 2 is work instruction not implemented. For method, number 1 is low heating temperature off. Number 2 causes is water tapered on bend corners, and number 3 is less time of chromium. So next for the machines, number 1 cause for the rust is rust deposit on boiler tubes, and number 2 is rusty pipeline. The last one for material is number 1 is dirty and dust deposit inside the tank. So the countermeasure for man is sufficient knowledge given to operators about the method of chromium dipping. Number 2, specific work instruction provide to workers about the causes of corrosion defect. Number 3 is check the cleanness of the rim before dripping off. If found is to be contaminated, separate and report to quality control department man. Next is at one time he should not insert more than 50 rims. Next is water temperature should be checked after use every 2 hours. And the last one is clean boiler tubes and pipeline after 3 hours a few months. So for the countermeasure for method, number one is it has been discovered that water is heated within the range of 400 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, which is considered low. It's in order to achieve the desired chemical reaction, the heating temperature is rise to range of 550 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. In order to allow water tapered on the bend corner to escape the reduce the risk of corrosion on the side, 2 holes should be provided on the opposite side of the bend corner. The last one is the observed time of chromium dipping process was only 5 minutes, which is much less than the actual time. Therefore, it was recommended to set the dripping time within the range of 8 minutes to 10 minutes. For the last one is countermeasure for machine. Verify the cleanness of the water prior to bending into the tank. The last one, the tank should be properly cleaned before begin the chromium coating process. So next saya akan serahkan kepada Muhammad Abdul Fawaz untuk teruskan slide.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Abdul Fawaz bin Muhammad Nizam, nombor matrik 09DM1F147. Sekarang saya akan teruskan untuk justification for the appropriateness of the tool. Okay, the main cause of damage. Then, for men's work instruction not implement. For machine, improper maintenance planning. For method, high speed of motor. Second, high speed of roller off. And third, sudden start, stoppage off. This is the counter for all of this cause of damage. First counter measure for men. Handle the rims carefully and avoid hitting them against each other. Second, glove should be used to ensure proper hand grip when handling rims. Counter measure for method. First, the speed of the motor should be increased from start up to the operating state 1440 clock in 2 minutes. Second, the speed of the roller must not exceed 10 RPM. And third, allow roller to run freely for 1 minute and then increase the speed slowly, and also allow 1 minute for reducing the speed and then stopping the machine in order to reduce the shock which can cause dents on rims. And counter measure for machine, to prevent breakdowns, it is advisable to perform maintenance on rolling machine every 3 months, particularly. Okay, next, for result and analysis, table 4 show the detail of rejection of 26 inch rims. Okay, terusnya adalah untuk flowchart untuk pembuatan rim di kilang Shimano. Pertama, start. Second, incoming material inspection. Cutting and forming inspection. Next, machining quality check. Heat treatment inspection. Surface finish examination. Assembly inspection. Intermediate quality check. Final inspection. Performance testing. Packaging quality check. Documentation and traceability. And last end. Next, for the conclusion, quality leads to an improvement in productivity and also leads to customer satisfaction. A study was conducted to determine the role of quality control tool in the bicycle rim manufacturing industry. These tools can be widely applied with success in the quality management system. Despite their simplicity and easy of interpretation, quality tools are not as widely used as expected. The main goal of the study is to reduce the cost per component by reducing the monthly rejection rate. After identifying the parameter that if affect the quality of the final product, accurate data was collected and standard procedure were proposed for chemical coating, staking, and material handling. Remedies were also suggested. The study utilized quality tools such as the Pareto chart and cost and effect diagram. Okay, sekian sahaja daripada kumpulan kami. Terima kasih.